Okay, here we are pulling into the Denver West KOA in Central City. It is at the top of the Central City Expressway. They have 73 RV sites, 6 tent camping sites, and 8 cabins here in total. Little chipmunk crossing the road. They have a little grocery store here that has most of the basic things that you need. Milk, soda, peanut butter. They can fill up propane here. They have a little playground. And I've been coming here for 4 years now. And the owner I've met, and he's owned it, I think he said, for 11 years. And he's always making little upgrades here and there. As you saw, the picnic tables back there, he's just been replacing those with tables and chairs everywhere. So just little improvements and everything to make this a little bit nicer. Just 2 years ago, they went and added, I think it's 8 to 10 deluxe RV sites that have grills with them. And as I say, always working to improve. Of course, on-site showers and laundry. Google has it rated at 4.3 and TripAdvisor has it rated at 4.5. From here, you're about, well, half hour to Golden on I-70 and 45 minutes to an hour max pretty much anywhere in Denver. There's been fire bans quite a few places in the national forest and at state campgrounds, and I haven't seen restrictions like that here at the KOA. Now, that doesn't mean that's not the case, but I've seen plenty of people have campfires going. Here's the cabins on the right. They all have air conditioning units in them. They're all hooked up to the camp electric, so should be pretty comfortable places to stay. And then there, finally, back another view of the clubhouse here. So, thank you for this little tour and have a great day.